Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check recently deleted photos on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, what we need to do, we need to go and open our application on Instagram. So let's go and open it from here. And now once you open it here, as you can see, we need to click on our profile down to the right bottom. And from here, we need to hit these three lines up to the right corner. And now from here, as you can see, we have settings and activity options. So what we need to click on over here, which is on the option that says how you use Instagram, we click on your activity. And now we have which it says one place to manage your activities. So we'll go down until we can find these two options, archived and recently deleted. So we click on recently deleted, and from here we can see all the deleted icons or pictures or posts, to be honest, over here. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.